Nice working, Dale.
What'd you do to it? What'd you got to...
So when Dale Earnhardt and Davey Allison had a chance to shake down their brand new high-powered Gambler bass boats, they jumped at the opportunity.
Yeah, okay, thanks.
Even if it did mean mixing a little business with pleasure.
With my schedule, I know Davies is pretty hectic too with the sponsors and everything, but it seemed like you got maybe in half an hour or something free time in one given day. And the rest of the time you're doing something or answering phone calls or you know, taking care of your personal business that you've neglected for about a month, answering mail, you know, paying your bills. But it just stays hectic. And if you do get some time that you can hop in the boat and go fishing or go down deer hunting or something, we try to do it. We try to take advantage of our free time.
Come on back. Got some more of them pumpkin worms.
Davey, hold your boat.
On this beautiful Carolina afternoon, the racetrack and business appointments were far, far away. As the day starts to wind down, Davey and Dale slow the pace a bit to enjoy the remaining hours with their wives.
One more time. Can you not get out of the same one, Davey?
And I was sitting on the bow of the boat on this little tiny seat, holding on to the seat with my left hand, camera in the right hand, and he had his hat pulled down in his eyes, and he had the throttle down as fast as it would go. All of a sudden, I just felt this thump. And I shot straight out of the seat, the camera went up, and all I could think was, oh my God, this expensive camera is gonna go in the lake and I'm responsible for it. So I jumped up. As I jumped up, he pulled the throttle back, and I caught it with my elbow, and as it came down, it hit me in a place where it hurts to be hit. And he started laughing. He said, "You had a wreck."
Right in the nuts. Nuts is hanging out. They're gone after I dropped the camera on the damn thing.